Hey, just want to shoot a quick video and give a summary of all the different podcasts that we have done on asset protection, particularly when it comes to your real estate holdings. As many of you know, the latest data from the Reno Sparks Association of Realtors is out, and the median home price is up over 25% year over year in our area. So a lot of us have significant equity in our home, and I want everyone out there to make sure that they are taking full advantage of the tools out there to protect yourself and make sure you keep that equity safe and sound. So first thing is I'd like you to consider is getting a living revocable trust. If you have any kind of real estate holdings, we recommend Samantha Amato at Model Law. She's one of the top trust attorneys in town. We will link her video up there. Call her, talk to her, find out what it's all about, the price, and how she can help you in your situation. I'm just telling you, if something happens to you or you become incapacitated and you don't have a trust in place, it's going to cost a lot more over the long period, and then the government's going to decide on what goes down with your real estate holdings and your personal assets. Secondly, make sure you have a homestead on your house. Homestead is a form on the assessor's website. We have the link and we will put it up above in another podcast. Fill it out, put your legal description in there, take it down the recorder and record it, and it protects up to $605,000 equity in your home. So consider that. Also, the third tip is make sure that you are going to the Washoe County Recorder's Office. There's a lot of fraud with people putting bogus mortgages and recording things against your property. So Washoe County came out with a notification system. You basically sign up online, put your email, your name, and your APN, and you will be notified every time that anything is recorded against your home. So a very good free service. Check it out. And the fourth thing that I want you to consider right now is make sure that you are talking to your insurance professional. I have a link above to one of our providers. She's Jane with Allstate, and what I recommend is you give your provider, or you can give Jane a call, and check out to make sure that you have the appropriate replacement value on your home. Different policies have different things, but I'm telling you, particularly if you have rentals, a lot of those policies are set at a set amount, and if you don't call them and tell them to increase the amount it costs for a replacement value, especially in this market, you're going to be really disappointed if you have a total loss. So if you guys have any questions or want to leave me a comment below or like our videos, I'd really appreciate it. We're working hard here, and we are trying to make sure that everyone within our sphere, our neighbors, our clients, our friends are informed. So until next time, you guys have a great rest of the week, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.